Our thematic review, Transition and Pupil Progression, considers how well schools work together to support pupils' transition from primary into secondary school. Within that, it focuses on how well schools work together to ensure that their curricula and teaching develop pupils' knowledge, skills, understanding and learning behaviours effectively across transition. It also looks at how schools support the well-being of learners at this important transition point. Our findings show that clusters of schools meet regularly to discuss curriculum for Wales and how to support pupils' transition from primary to secondary school. In nearly all cases, they focus well on ensuring that there are beneficial induction arrangements to support pupils' well-being, and they implement helpful strategies to support pupils with additional learning needs. However, in many cases, and for a range of reasons, transition work is not always effective enough in ensuring that pupils make systematic and continual progress from primary and into secondary school.